Hello friends, welcome to Vidyutech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox solar retrofit of Luminous company. Friends, in this video, you are going to learn what it does, where you are going to use this, how many solar panels you are going to connect, what rating of solar panels you can connect according to solar estimation chart, how much square feet of area it is going to require, warranty of this product, key features, technical specification, etc. Friends, I am having normal inverter and normal battery in our home. Whenever the power cuts, we are going to use normal inverter and normal battery for running our load. As the solar power plant is going to save the electricity bill for us, we are going with the rooftop solar plant. Here comes the question, do I have to buy new solar battery and solar inverter? No friends, we can upgrade normal inverter into solar inverter by using solar retrofit. Solar retrofit is having warranty of 12 months, that is 1 year friends. Friends, you can use this solar retrofit in the shops, homes, banks, etc. Based on your requirement, you can go with that. In this video, I am going to unbox solar retrofit of 2420 belonging to Luminous company. Okay, on the side of the solar retrofit, you can see 3 switches. Okay, switch 1, switch 2 and switch 3. Okay, switch 3 defines type friends. Okay, type of the battery. Flat plate and tubular. You can select only 2 types, either flat plate or tubular. If you have selected your battery as flat plate, you have to select flat plate. If you have selected your battery as tubular, you have to select tubular. Okay, third switch completed. And coming to second switch, you can see charger and 100% solar. If you want to control second switch, you have to use the first switch friends. Okay. On the first switch, you can see automatic and manual. Okay. If you have initially algorithm, you have to go with the automatic. Okay. Manual. If you want to choose anything from the second switch, you have to choose manual. Okay. 100% solar means if you want to charge your battery with solar, you have to select 100% solar. If you want to charge your battery with both mains and solar, you have to select charger. Okay, this is regarding 3 switches on the side of the solar retrofit 2420. Okay, friends, you can connect single battery for 100 to 400 watts of solar panel. Okay, and 200 watts to 800 watts solar panel at the rate 24 volts. That is double battery. Okay, make sure that one friends. Friends, according to solar estimation chart, you can connect 2 330 watt solar panels, 2 cross 330 watts solar panels in parallel. Okay. Coming to square feet of area required is 80 square feet. Friends, on the back side of the solar retrofit, you can see the 2 holes. Okay, that means you can mount on the wall. So, this is the wall mounted solar retrofit. And you can see the block diagram in our website. Okay, you can see the link in the description friends. Website link is in the description. Friends, we have already unboxed solar inverters and batteries. If you want to know the details, please go to the playlist of our channel or you can use the website. Okay, website link is in the description below friends. You can search on the search box regarding solar inverter, solar batteries and electrical stuff. Friends, this is having LCD display. Okay. It is going to show you mode, voltage levels like that. Okay. Friends, we have unboxed Solar NXG Plus series, Solar NXG inverter of Luminous company in our channel. Please go to that videos. We have unboxed batteries also, solar batteries. Please go to that video. Friends, we have included inverter buying guide in our channel. Please go to the video. You can see the thumbnail on the screen. Okay, or you can click on the I button. Friends, for more details, please go to the link in the description or you can click on the I button. Please follow me on the Instagram friends.
Luminous Shane 2420 Solar Retrofit. Here you can see solar conversion kit. Inside the box, solar retrofit will be like this, friends. Here you can see solar logo.
Friends, here you can see key features. Converts existing non-solar inverter to solar inverter. Okay. Automatic selection for 12 volts or 24 volts battery system. Here you can see automated operation to utilize maximum solar power. Okay. PV panel compatible from 100 watts to 400 watts for single battery, that is 12 volts, friends, and 200 watts to 800 watts for 24 volts. That means two batteries, each of 12 volts connected in the series. Easy to use, simple operation.
Friends, here you can see item or model SRS Shane 2420. Rating 12 volts or 24 volts, 20 amperes. Voltage 12 volts or 24 volts DC. Quantity 1 number, that means only one product will be available in this box. Dimension in terms of mm, friends. Here you can see 178 cross 71 cross 159. Manufacturing month and year Jan 2020. MRP 2995 or maximum retail price of 2995. Here you can see manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Address Customer Support Division. Here you can see Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Website, phone number. If you have any queries or complaints, you can contact through any of these.
Friends, here you can see Luminous Company Shane 2420 solar retrofit. I am going to unbox it, friends. Friends, this is a user manual warranty card. Here you can see the technical specifications, LCD messages, fault messages like this. Display, friends, here is the display. Here you can see the logo Luminous Company Shane 2420 solar retrofit. Okay. Friends, here you can see the 4 terminals. First 2 terminals is for the solar panel and second 2 terminals is for the battery. Polarity should be maintained. Here is the positive terminal of the solar panel. Here is the negative terminal of the solar panel. Here you can see battery, positive terminal and negative terminal. Like this you have to connect. Here you can see maximum panel capacity up to 400 watts at the rate 12 volts, whereas 800 watts at the rate 24 volts. Friends, over here you can see 3 switches. First one, auto, manual. You have to select auto if you have algorithm already. And coming to manual, you have to select it for the selection of the second switch. Charger 100% solar. Coming to the third switch, it is about battery type. You have to select tubular or flat plate based on your battery selection. This is the battery type, friends. Okay. Inverter input. This is the mains input, friends. Okay. Here you can see 3 terminals, base, neutral and earth. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you want to buy this product or if you have any doubts regarding this product, please call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966979707. If you have any feedback, please let me know, friends, so that it will boost my energy levels and make more interesting videos for you. If you have any doubts, please comment in the comment box or you can use the group link in the description below. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.